Our commitment as tea growers is to the taste, the goodness and the purpose in tea. But that is expressed best in this incredible variety. There's a spectrum of flavor in tea, textures. Tea works beautifully with cheeses, with desserts, with so many different foods and beverages. Mixology and so much more. And that's what we're doing here. In our masterclasses, we're presenting how tea elevates food. Tea and cheese, magnificent. Tea with chocolate, and tea as a dessert or with a dessert, incredible. But also, my son Amrit is offering suggestions on tea mixology. All of that with the promise of natural antioxidant goodness. L-theanine, polyphenols, flavonoids, and there's a whole lot more. And finally, framed in the purpose, the kindness that my father embedded at the heart of Dilmah. That's our story.
Do try